Microwave is radioactive. It can blow up.
Nah, it's gotta be plugged in.
I can't get it out.
Okay, great.
Wait,
Okay.
so then, how did you get it in?
Something else. Quick.
Bro, just I don't know.
What?
Do a backflip. Do a backflip.
Backflip.
Yeah.
Okay. You see me?
Nah, that was tragic, man.
That was good. That was good.
Bro, skipped so quick, man.
Yo, make a slam. You win. You win money.
Bro said, nah, I'm good.
Oh my god, I haven't laughed this whole stream.